that's tasty.
Oh, that's good.
The question is, how am I supposed to?
Which corn dog do you want to try first?
I think we should start with these without any sugar on it and then work our way up to the Korean ones that have a lot of flavors going on.
Because, you know, Koreans are more flavorful, right?
Sure.
Yeah.
We can go with that.
Because I think Korean stuff it just always tastes better, so.
Sure, we can go with that.
So yeah, we'll start with
Yeah, we'll start with these.
the American ones first.
Cheers.
Cheers. You know, I like not having too much stuff on it because Korean ones usually have lots of toppings and cheese and on the inside and stuff. It's not bad, just like simple.
Man, I was hungry. I didn't have breakfast, so you know. Corn dog for the breakfast.
But what is like the culture of corn dogs like? Like, is this like a?
I feel like this is very much like a game food. Like, you know, you go to a baseball game, like a football game, and they like have like the vendors kind of coming out and like selling it with some of the other food. But yeah, it's kind of like one of those sport foods, I feel.
I was gonna say, because when I watch like Hollywood movies, I see like when they go to an arcade or something, like they always get like a corn dog, or like at a carnival, they get like a corn dog or something like that.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I think it's very much like one of those like festival foods, whether that's like you said, like a carnival or a game or.
So did you like eat this growing up? When you were
I
a kid?
did.
Ah,
I
okay,
did.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, definitely one of those like childhood memories. So it's kind of like a familiar taste.
Do you like to put any sauce on?
I do. I actually really like to put ketchup on it.
I have ketchup here, so.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh.
Just ketchup. Should we try it with the ketchup?
Yeah, let's try it.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's tasty.
Oh, that's good. 와. 케첩이랑 먹으니까 진짜
Yeah, that's tasty.
맛이
I'm gonna
다르네.
put more on.
맛있어요.
I never liked the sticks in corn dogs though.
Because it makes it hard to kind
Right.
of, when you get towards the middle. When you get to the middle part, you have to like,
Try
you
and
know,
like
eat-
bite it
eat
off.
around. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like the same thing.
Yeah, it's like similar to this. So for the Korean ones, we have two different options for today. We've got sugar, and then we have the potato covering with the sugar. Which one do you want to try first?
Maybe we should start with like just the sugar,
Just the
since the
sugar?
potato also has sugar.
Okay.
You know, I'm very like curious though because I know in Korea like they really love putting sweet stuff.
It's because Korean people are very sweet, you know?
Sweet. Okay.
We are
Yeah, they
sweet people, yeah.
It's true.
Yeah,
It's
so,
true.
Yeah.
But I'm curious about the flavor with like the sausage.
In Korean culture, we have something called 단짠. Tan is sweet, 짠 is salty. We combine those two flavors because it just creates that sensation in your mouth. I think that's also the idea here of adding sugar to the corn dog. So yeah, let's
Yeah,
try
let's try it.
the sugar one.
Makes me excited. Okay. There's so much sugar on it.
Now that I'm looking at it closer, I didn't realize how much sugar is on the
Right.
Korean corn dog compared to the American one, but
Yeah,
try it.
let's do it. The sugar dropping. This is actually like really tasty though. In a way, I kind of like it more. But it's just different, I feel like. Yeah, this is really tasty.
So I told you, the 단짠, right? The salty and the sweet in Korean.
Like if you want something more savory, I'd go with like the one that's more plain where you can add like maybe a little ketchup. I think if you haven't tried the Korean one, it's definitely like worth trying because it's very different from what I'm used to.
So if you had to choose one that's better than the other, what would you pick?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I think right now I'm really liking this one. Like
The Korean one?
It's really tasty.
역시 한국. Wow, but I haven't eaten this in a long time. I forgot how good it is. This is so good.
Yeah, I feel like I'm devouring this one even more than the other one. Again, though, that problem with the stick.
When you get to the middle, you could push it. Oh, look at that. You see it? Oh, yours is not moving?
No.
Oh.
Well, I guess that was not meant to be.
What do you think the one with the potato is gonna taste like compared to the others?
Ooh, that's a really good question. Maybe it would be slightly more savory than the first one or the first Korean one.
But then in American food, like you guys have French fries with everything.
Oh, true.
Right?
So maybe,
yeah.
Yeah, maybe it'll be like a French fry. Thanks for that. Thanks for that.
Right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we try?
Yeah, let's do it. The question is how am I supposed to?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, this is bigger.
Yeah, you were totally right. It's like French fries.
Right? Just like eating French fries, but in one bite with it. Oh, that is good.
It's very interesting.
There's cheese in mine. This one is so good. Is there cheese in yours? No. Wow. I think putting potato on it, genius.
And I feel a little opposite. I feel like I like it better with just the sugar. Like it's not bad. It's not bad.
Okay.
But I feel like it makes it almost a little too bready. Because it already has like the bread around the sausage. And then when you add like the potato French fries, it feels just like a bit too much for me.
I see. That is true because it's like surrounded by grease on all sides.
Right,
So
but it's still really tasty. I just think my preferences is definitely leaning more to just like
Okay,
the sugar.
gotcha.
But I also have like a really strong sweet tooth, so that doesn't help.
Well, maybe since you're American, if you put ketchup on yours, it'll taste a little more like
true.
home. You want some ketchup on yours?
Yeah, I would love to try it with ketchup.
Boom, 2 more ketchup packets. And then you make it disappear, so it could be like a 2-part act, right?
Okay.
All right, ready for this?
Yeah, let's try it.
Cheers. You know, I didn't expect it, but that actually makes it better,
Yeah, it actually does.
right?
It actually tastes better. I think it's because the potatoes are honestly like French fries.
Right, exactly.
And so like
You gotta have
always,
your-
you always dip French fries in ketchup, so
Yep.
it's kind of like the same concept. I'm gonna put more ketchup on this, but I think this was the magic fix.
This was a good move, yeah.
I do feel like this one's slightly more dangerous to eat because I'm really worried that like one of these are gonna fall off.
The potato.
What was your favorite of the 3?
My favorite out of all 3, I actually liked the American one.
Oh.
Like when it was just plain, I wasn't sure. But then
The
when I put
ketchup.
the ketchup on it, wow. 진짜, it was so good.
So good.
So good, yeah. How about you? Which one was your favorite?
I feel like it would maybe change on a different day, but right now, the Korean one with the sugar.
Just the sugar
Just
one.
the sugar. That was really tasty.
Yep.
Like it was just satisfying that sweet tooth. You got the
Yes.
savory.
Yep.
Oh, it's
You can't go
perfect.
wrong.
You really can't.
Can't go wrong with tantan, you know?